Oh, hi there, Gumboot Kids.
Let's run around. Come on, make some noise. We'll play outside. Solve some of nature's magical mysteries. We're living, loving life's adventures. Oh yeah, that's how it is.
Come on.
When you're a Gumboot Kid.
Hi there, Gumboot Kids. I've just been on a lovely long walk. It was chilly out there. It's a good thing I was wearing my nice warm sweater. I'm so grateful that my friend made it for me. A friendly sweater maker? Who could that be? That's today's nature mystery, the case of the friendly sweater maker. Let's check out my field notes for 3 clues to help you solve the mystery. Clue number 1.
Animal pen. Look, those animals are in a pen. Let me help you down. Thank you.
Way to go! You found an animal pen. Now for clue number 2.
Listen. I hear something. It's coming from over there.
Good work! You heard an interesting sound in the animal pen. On to clue number 3.
Whoa! This animal is soft like wool.
Terrific! Now let's connect the clues to solve the mystery. You found the animal pen. You heard a sound from an animal that's soft like wool.
Those are sheep.
So what's with the friendly sweater maker?
I know. Sweaters are made of wool. And wool comes from sheep.
That's right. Do you know sheep like to spend time together? They are happiest when they're in a herd with their friends.
So sheep are the friendly sweater makers.
We did it. Case closed. Yay!
Way to go, nature detectives! Now let's pause and have a mindful moment. What makes a good friend? Are they kind, thoughtful, funny? Try being the kind of friend that you'd like to have.
I live next to a sheep farm where they make the prettiest yarn. All the fresh air and sunshine make happy sheep and cozy fleece. To make blankets for Bonnie and socks for Sue, mittens for Johnny and baby blue, a sweater for Billy, a hat for Christopher. Thanks to the sheep, the children will be warm this winter. And when it's shearing time, we thank the sheep, for the lovely wool that we reap. And we're grateful that the sun will shine, and all the wool will grow in time.
Now that the days are getting cooler, I'm happy to be by the campfire. And thanks to our friends, the sheep, I've got this lovely scarf, too. Good night, Gumboot Kids.
Good night, Scout.
Blankets for Bonnie, socks for Sue, mittens for Johnny and baby blue, a sweater for Billy, a hat for Christopher. Thanks to the sheep, thanks to the sheep, thanks to the sheep, the children will be warm this winter.